everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 24th to 28th of August 2026 on Monday. Constable Dlamini bears the brunt of Msiz's shattered reputation. Ngaraje makes a big decision and Mangcobo is not sure it's the right one. Shwabi makes big moves, claiming what he believes is his on Tuesday. Msizi can't face his mother's disappointment. Shwabi wants to get back to his old business. Shobane thinks it's a bad idea. Ngaraje is excited about moving out of his home with Mangcobo, but he has to tell his mom about his plan to fat and set on Wednesday. Msizi's return divides his family, with Mbali and Madlamini pulling in different directions about what he should do. Ngaraje's big step forward sparks conflict at home, and Mangcobo pays the price on Thursday. Shwabi deals with his crumbling reputation as Msizi tries to rebuild his own. Ngaraje and Mangcobo's first morning doesn't go as planned on Friday. A quiet day at the clinic is shattered by the arrival of a critical patient, sending the staff into emotional turmoil. Msizi hustles to bring his vision to life. Surprising, Constable Dlamini and an old friendship is rekindled, lighting an unexpected spark. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.